Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 8 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening and the settings, and right here, of course, whenever we are in the general section, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see right here, we've got some options which will possibly allow us to change the date and time manually, however they are inactive. It is because we are using the automatic options. So first of all, we have to turn off those switchers. You can also turn off this one, up to you. And now we can freely tap on date and pick it from this calendar and confirm it, of course. The same situation with the time, just pick it from the clock, first hours, then minutes, and tap on OK. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied to the status bar. We can also change the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and here you've been transferred to the full list of available regions. You can search them just by tapping on the name of the particular region and then tap on the one you'd like to apply. As you can see, it will be also immediately applied, of course, and be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. We can, as I said, change the time format. We were using local default, but after turning off this option, we can manually decide whether we want to use the 12-hour format, which is currently applied, or the 12-hour format, or the 24-hour one, sorry, just by tapping on the switcher, and it will also be immediately applied to the status bar. Alright, so basically this is the whole manual customization of date and time. Of course, we can go back to all previous automatic settings just by tapping on those switches right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.